Module 1: Strategic Leadership. In summary, strategic leadership involves setting a clear vision, engaging in strategic planning, making informed decisions, leading change, allocating resources, fostering collaboration and empowerment, and managing performance to achieve long-term success for an organization or team. It requires a combination of strategic thinking, effective communication, decision-making skills, and the ability to inspire and motivate others towards a shared vision. Applying strategic thinking to business challenges. Applying strategic thinking to business challenges involves a systematic and forward-thinking approach to problem-solving and decision-making. It requires analyzing complex situations, identifying opportunities and risks, formulating strategies, and making informed decisions to address business challenges effectively. Here are some steps to apply strategic thinking to business challenges. 1. Define the business challenge. Clearly define the business challenge or problem that needs to be addressed. Identify the key issues, root causes, and potential impacts on the business. This step involves thorough analysis and understanding of the situation at hand. 2. Gather information. Collect relevant data, facts, and insights related to the business challenge. Conduct research, analyze market trends, customer needs, competitive landscape, and internal capabilities. This step involves gathering information from various sources to have a comprehensive understanding of the challenge. 3. Conduct SWOT analysis. Perform a SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, analysis to assess the internal and external factors that may impact the business challenge. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of the organization and opportunities and threats in the external environment. 4. Generate strategic options. Brainstorm and generate a range of strategic options to address the business challenge. Encourage creativity and diversity of perspectives to explore different possibilities. Evaluate each option based on feasibility, alignment with the organization's vision and values, and potential impact. 5. Evaluate risks and benefits. Assess the risks and benefits associated with each strategic option. Consider the potential short-term and long-term consequences, resource requirements, and potential obstacles. This step involves a thorough analysis of the pros and cons of each option. In summary, applying strategic thinking to business challenges involves a systematic approach that includes defining the challenge, gathering information, conducting analysis, generating strategic options, formulating strategies, implementing and monitoring progress, fostering innovation and adaptability, communicating and engaging with stakeholders, and evaluating the results. It requires a forward-thinking mindset, critical analysis, and decision-making skills to effectively address complex business challenges and achieve success. Leading organizational change. Leading organizational change is a complex and challenging task that requires effective leadership skills, strategic planning, and strong change management capabilities. Change is inevitable in today's business environment, and organizations must be able to adapt and evolve to remain competitive. Here are some key steps to effectively lead organizational change. 1. Establish a clear vision. Clearly define the vision and purpose of the change initiative. Articulate the need for change, the desired outcomes, and the benefits it will bring to the organization. This vision serves as a guiding star and helps align employees towards a common goal. 2. Create a change management plan. Develop a comprehensive change management plan that outlines the strategies, goals, and action steps for managing the change. This plan should include communication strategies, change implementation timeline, resource allocation, and stakeholder engagement approaches. 3. Communicate effectively. Communicate the need for change, the vision, and the reasons behind it to all stakeholders, including employees, customers, and other relevant parties. Provide regular and transparent communication throughout the change process, addressing concerns, answering questions, and providing updates. Effective communication is crucial for building trust, managing resistance, and gaining support for the change initiative. 4. Involve and empower employees. Involve employees in the change process by engaging them in the planning, decision-making, and implementation stages. Empower them to contribute their ideas, insights, and perspectives. Employees who feel valued and engaged are more likely to embrace change and become advocates for it. In summary, leading organizational change requires a strategic approach, effective communication, employee involvement, building a change-ready culture, providing resources and support, addressing resistance, monitoring progress, leading by example, and learning from the experience.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.